Click on the link below to get price. The G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB Series DDR5 RAM, AMD Expo, 96GB, 2x48GB is a standout choice for gamers and content creators looking to elevate their systems. From the moment I installed these modules, the difference in performance was palpable. Designed specifically for AMD platforms, this RAM harnesses the capabilities of DDR5 technology and AMD's Expo extended profiles for overclocking, ensuring that users can easily achieve enhanced speeds with minimal effort. Aesthetically, the Trident Z5 Neo is stunning. The sleek aluminum heat spreaders, available in a black and silver finish, not only enhance cooling but also add a premium look to any build. The customizable RGB lighting is a fantastic touch, featuring bright and vibrant colors that can sync with other components via software like Aura Sync or MSI Mystic Light. Whether you're gaming or rendering video, the dynamic lighting adds an immersive element, making your setup truly stand out. Performance-wise, this RAM shines with its speed and responsiveness. Operating at a high frequency, the 96GB capacity is perfect for multitasking, allowing me to run demanding applications like video editing software and high-end games simultaneously without any hiccups. The low latency further enhances the experience, ensuring that data is processed swiftly. Memory-intensive tasks are handled with ease, making this RAM an excellent investment for professionals. Installation was straightforward, and with the help of AMD's Expo profiles, I was able to optimize the RAM settings in seconds. This is a significant advantage for users who may not be as comfortable with manual overclocking. In summary, the Gskill Trident Z5 Neo RGB Series DDR5 RAM is a remarkable product that combines aesthetics, performance, and ease of use. With its ample capacity and speed, it meets the needs of both gamers and professionals. If you're considering an upgrade to your system, this RAM is definitely worth the investment.